Welcome to Basic Commands for I2C. This shows you how to read and write from the I2C bus. Your starter kit contains the I2C to PC adapter and the 8-bit I/O port. We hook up the adapter and the port from I2C bus 1 to the adapter. Starting real term, we can see that the CTS light is lit, and if we send the get status command, we can see that we get a reply from the adapter. Everything's ready to go. Let's have a look at the command set. The BL233 datasheet contains the commands for the I2C to PC adapter. It's the primary reference for all commands. In cyan, we've highlighted the most common commands from table 2, the command characters. The first command you'll need is the I2C start command. So let's have a look at this. S sends a start to the I2C bus. We follow this with the address of the chip of the slave that we're attempting to talk to. 40 is the 8-bit I/O port. We can put spaces in if we want. They're ignored by the adapter. I'll send out the data value F0 to the port and follow it with an I2C stop. Now if I wish to read the data back from the port, I send an I2C start followed by the read address of the port 41. The lowest bit is set to indicate a read, so the address goes from 40 to 41, 40 for writes to 41 for reads. Now I tell the adapter how many bytes I want to read. 1 byte will do. I get back the data value F0. I now send an I2C stop to terminate this bus transaction. Let's have a look at the command set again. The R command and the W command provide a shorter way of repeating reads and writes to the previous address, that is the last address that was read or written. If I send R01, then I read the same address. If I were to send W56, I will write to the previous address. If I read again, then I'll get the data back. Very easy. With I2C devices, there is no particular speed limitation. However, with SM bus, there is a bus timeout. All SM bus commands must follow one another within a period of 10 milliseconds. Obviously you can't type this fast, so it's useful to use the pause command, which is a colon. So we can send the sequence colon start 4057 data for argument's sake, and when we send a line feed, it will be executed.